and Aubrey was her name. A not so very ordinary girl or name, but who's to blame? A, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, D, B minor, E, E7, D minor, C sharp 7, A7. And the finger picking is G, C, E and A, and then C. So that's 1, that's thumb, 1, 2, 3 and 4 together, and 2. Okay. Intro. Verse. And Aubrey was her name, a not so very ordinary girl or name, but who's to blame? For a love that wouldn't bloom, for the hearts that never played in tune, like a lovely melody that everyone can sing. Take away the words that rhyme, it doesn't mean a thing. Verse 2. And Aubrey was her name. We tripped the light and danced together to the moon. But where was June? Know it now, who came around. If it did, it never made a sound. Maybe I was absent or was listening too fast, catching all the words but then the meaning going past. Chorus. But God, I miss the girl, and I'd go 1,000 times around the world just to be closer to her than to me. Verse 3. And Aubrey was her name. I never knew her, but I loved her just the same. I loved her name. Wish that I had found the way and the reasons that would make her stay. I've learned to lead a life apart from all the rest. If I can have the one I want, I'll do without the best. Then final chorus. But how I miss miss the girl, and I'd go a million times around the world just to say she had been mine for